Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Welcome back to Cap Classes. So what's making the buzz? What's trending? Yesterday Dhoni's sixer? No. CSK won the match? No. Cristiano Ronaldo tested positive. Bad news. So but the news for chartered accountants is not CSK, not Cristiano Ronaldo and our inboxes you call it, or social media you call it, or the chattings with the friends. Everything is filled only with one thing. At least for me, when I opened my WhatsApp, it is flooded with the messages about the biggest news for chartered accountancy students, that is postponement of November 2020 exams again. So what are we talking about? There is a saying, if you have a wife, that is one problem. If you do not have a wife, that is another problem. If you have a smart wife, that is one problem. If you have dumb wife, that is yet another problem. If you have beautiful wife, that is one problem. If you have ugly wife, that is one problem. So basically, everything is a problem. So now, the students are split into two. One category is saying, Pavan sir, this is such a good news, we got more time. And the other category is saying, why ICA is doing this to us? Why? Again, I need to read 15 days more. But I tell you one thing, whether you like it, whether you do not like it, whether you cry, whether you die, the reality is exams are postponed at another time. This could be because of COVID, this could be because of Bihar elections, this could be because of your planetary position. So whatever it is, exams are postponed. That is the reality. So let me tell you one thing, okay? The best always comes in the worst situations. For example, after World War II, people thought it is going to end Kali Yuga almost. But do you know, in science, be it medical science, be it technology, the best of the best of the best inventions came after World War II. Do you know that? And another thing, Japan, as an economy, how they emerged, how strong they have become, the globalization, all these things have come after the worst war. And even in the Indian context also, in 1991, when we have come with a new industrial policy, LPG we call liberalization, privatization, globalization, the best thing has come in the worst of the situations where your foreign currencies are screwed up, when your reserves are screwed up, when your economy is screwed up, the best comes in worst situation. Even personally, look at me, in my life also I have experienced, I have got the best results in some of the worst situations. And the latest thing is my latest project, Cap Classes, how much of praise I am getting from all the students for developing this technology, developing this Android app and all. This happened only because of COVID, I am telling you. Otherwise, do you think a person like me who teaches 365 days, who works 24/7 will have enough time to sit and develop this kind of content and this kind of technology? No. So the conclusion of the story is, do not sit, cry, sulk, curse yourself. Take everything positive. That is the only way we move further. So this 3 minutes of motivation, I am not going to stretch it more. That's it. So the conclusion of this 3 minutes of story is that take this notification positive. Till yesterday, people are criticizing ICA that safety measures are not taken, and in containment zone, if a student is there, what ICA will do? If a student dies because of COVID, what ICA will do? After writing 7 exams, during 8th exam, if I am COVID positive tested and if I cannot write, what will happen to my 7 exams? So many banana questions you asked. So for all that banana questions, maybe God wanted to give you answer, or ICA wanted to give you answer. Beta, we listen to all your sob stories. We listen to your concerns. So chalo, we are giving you another 15 days of time. So people have funny problems, okay? So many students are asking Pavan sir what to do, that, this and all. So that is a different story. Now I'll tell you one more thing. Today morning, I have received 5 missed calls from one student. Why he is calling me, I don't know. He is panic. I remember looking at his number. This guy, day before yesterday only, he bought classes. He bought, recorded classes from Cap Classes. Why this guy is calling me? Then I understood one problem, okay? I saw his text. Ye dekho. Because I2CC is last attempt, I have given one combo offer, okay? So the classes are, normally 17,000-18,000 course. So advanced accounting, audit and strategic management put together I have given for 5,000 rupees, and I said, Look there, unlimited access till your exam. I have given at 5,000 rupees only because it is 1 month. Now this guy's concern is, now my exam is postponed. Now the best thing in this notification, I tell you, the highlight of this notification is not change in the dates. All those thousands of students who are struggling in CA IPCC, my dear friends, good news for you, you have got 6 more months. Do you know, last attempt for IPCC is extended to May 2021. Now this guy is asking, I want to write exam in 2021. Will you give this access for this 5,000 rupees till my exam? That means what, people have peculiar problems. Each person is suffering from different problem. For him I said, beta, you don't worry. It is my responsibility. I will extend it. You can enjoy it up to your exam. That is a different story. So what I mean to say is, same thing, some people consider it to be positive, some people consider it to be negative. So in your strategic management also, an event which is negative to some firms can be positive to some firms. A news which is perceived by negative, by one category of people will be considered extremely positive by another category. Now, let us understand what are the bullet points we need to take from this notification. Point number 1. The most important thing is, my dear CA IPCC students, again I am telling you, at the end of the notification, last but one para, it is also decided that intermediate IPC examination under the old syllabus, that means IPCC, is extended to one more examination cycle. That is, student registered under IPC old syllabus can write their examinations in May 2021 also. So, if you ask me personally, this is the highlight of the notification. Point number 1. Point number 2. Now, when you come to this first page, foundation examinations previously were scheduled originally in November. After that, because of this Bihar elections, they have postponed it. Now they postponed it again. 8, 10, 12, 14 December is going to be your examination dates. And coming to IPCC students, dear IPCC students, your examinations are starting from 22nd November, not in the first week of November, 22nd November. So look at the dates, 22, 24, 26, 28. And then 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th December, if you are in new syllabus. If you are in old syllabus, 1, 3, 5, that's all. So remember the dates, note it properly. 22nd November, your exams are starting for Group 1. And it is going to end on December 5th for old syllabus students, December 7th for new syllabus students. Final also the same dates. Okay. So 1 day prior to IPCC they will start. 1 day prior to IPCC, CA Inter, they will end. So 21st to 6th December. Now the question is, now why I have come with this video to you. How to plan your 15 extended days. So yesterday morning you have in your mind, how should I prepare for the next 15 days? Today morning you have in your mind, how should I prepare for next 30 days? So yesterday it was 15 days. Now it is 30 plus days. Consider this as an excellent opportunity. Consider this as an excellent opportunity. For the benefit of students, I will come up with a study plan for 30 days. So from tomorrow till the date of the exam, how to prepare, I will give you free study plans for both IPCC old students I will give, for CA Inter new students I will give, for Group 1, Group 2 and both. All the study plans I will give you. So please take it as a very positive move. God has given you 15 more days. I will prepare a study plan and give free of cost to you. Please follow the plan. And you can, without any stress, cover all the subjects, all the topics of Group 1, Group 2 of both old syllabus and new syllabus. And I am telling you, write a test series. Pavan sir, I don't want to write test series of CAP classes. Can I write test series of some other, portal across India? There are so many test series. Boss, whether you write ABC test series or XYZ test series or CAP classes test series, I am not asking you to write my test series. I am asking you to write some test series. Because only then you will read as per the schedule. Otherwise what happens? I know student mentality. First 2 days they'll prepare properly. Third day again the lazy buffalo with African buffalo leather, comes out of you. And you will be on the square one. and then again the stress starts, again all the beautiful words of your mother tongue will come out of your tongue. Okay, so this is not required. The procrastination, the laziness, you keep it aside. Very recently I read one meme. It was a quote. It was a beautiful quote. They say laziness is the return gift you are giving to your parents. That means you are cursing them. If you love your parents, if you love your life, if you love your career, if you love yourself, you should not be lazy when it comes to studies. And your academic success is the gift you are giving to your parents. That means how dedicated you should be as a student. So please start studying with a timetable, with a proper smart schedule, with the test series. Okay, then only you can track your performance. Some of the students who asked me, Pavan sir, I want to really write your 30 days exam series, but we have only 21 days what to do and all. But now all these problems are solved. God has given you more time. So subscribe to test series and do that. Pavan sir, I am a poor guy, I cannot pay. See, per test we are charging 50 rupees or 30 rupees, okay. If you say, Pavan sir, I do not want to spend that money also, I cannot spend that money also, then my dear friend, we are giving free test series also. For the benefit of students, we are giving free test series also. Write free test series. If you cannot pay 30 to 50 rupees per paper, write free test series. And I will give you suggested answers also. I will give you examination tips also. So money is never a hurdle if you want to prepare dedicatedly, okay. So I do not want to take much time. My target is I have to, complete this in 10 to 12 minutes. So that is the reason I am telling you. I am concluding this video with the summary bullet points. Step 1, read the notification carefully. Step 2, for IPCC students, a boon to you. ICA has given you Diwali Dhamaka gift. Another 6 months you have. Step 3, for all the CA students, your exams are postponed and they are not being conducted in the first week of November. They are starting from 22nd for intermediate students, 21st for final students. For foundation students, it is from 8th. This is the summary of the notification. And please read with the help of a schedule, as per a properly prepared schedule. Don't, just like that, don't open the book and read. There will be so much of difference between spending time with the book and reading and studying. There is a lot of difference. So I wish you all the very best. May God bless you. May you utilize this 15 days in a very productive and effective manner. And if you are looking for any study plan, free of cost, underline, study plans are available in our portal. You can visit Cap Classes website, you can visit our Telegram channel, or you can just send a message to this number you are looking at. We'll give you study plans. If you want to write a test series, you are more than welcome. So I wish you very good luck. Thank you.